Here I've got Nokia One Plus, and let me show you how to activate night mode on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Then you have to open display, which is here, and you will notice Nightlight. Simply click on it, and if you would like to activate it now, click on Turn on Now. And then you can change the intensity of the nightlight, so you can pick some cooler or warmer colors, so it's all up to you. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, simply click on Turn Off Now. You can also schedule nightlight, click on Schedule, and now you can either pick turns on at custom time or turns on from sunset to sunrise. So let me pick the first option, turns on custom time. Let me pick start hour and then the end hour. And from now on, between those hours, your D&D mode will be automatically activated. So that's basically all. Then you can switch off the schedule by tapping on none, so it will be removed. And that's basically all. You can also quickly access this mode through the upper bar, so simply slide twice to open it fully and then click on Nightlight. And that's it. Now it's active. And then, obviously, if you'd like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time. And that's it. Now we are back in the normal mode. So that's all. This is how you can activate Nightlight in your device in your Nokia One Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.